Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make chai. Chai is something that you can find in every Indian household. It makes you feel warm and cozy and it tastes super delicious. So let's get started. So this recipe makes approximately 2 cups of chai. And this is the approximate size you're going to get. The first thing you want to do is measure 2 cups of water and add it to the pan. To achieve the chai flavors, we're going to be adding a few spices, and the first thing we're going to be adding is approximately 4 to 5 pieces of clove. Alright. And the next thing we're going to be adding in is about, I'd say, 7 to 8 whole peppercorns. And the next thing we're going to be adding is 1 whole star anise. So, oops, it's going to be one of these. The next ingredient we're going to be adding is some cinnamon. You want to make sure that you're not using too big a piece because cinnamon has quite a strong flavor, so make sure it's very tiny. And the last spice we're going to be adding in is actually my absolute favorite, which is 2 cloves of cardamom. And before I put it in the pan, I'm actually just going to be grinding it using this. So this is what the end result should look like, sort of like a powder form. Now that all the spices are in the water, all you really want to do is cover your pan with a lid and turn the heat on to high because you want the water to boil as fast as possible. While the water is boiling, I'm just going to prep these cups that I'm going to be serving the chai in with some sugar and some milk. Now this is something you can do to taste, so you can add as much sugar or as much milk as you would like. Personally, I put in a very small amount of sugar and a very small amount of milk as well. So I've got my cups prepped, and I just want to talk to you about the tea I'm going to be using today. So this one here is by a company called Tea India, and I believe the tea type is a black Manwar chai. So if you are able to find this tea, you're going to end up getting a flavor which is very similar to the tea I'm making today. Oops. However, if you aren't able to find this particular type of tea, I recommend using any tea source from India in order to reserve that chai flavor. Alright, so my water is boiling. I'm just going to be adding in some tea leaves. So I normally add about 1 teaspoon, but you're more than welcome to add more tea if you like for a stronger flavor. Alright, so I've got my strainer here. Oops, spilled a little. I've got a couple of biscuits to go with my tea, and I'm just going to be stirring so that the milk and the sugar are evenly dissolved. And we're ready.